ceramic capacitors.
The dielectric used in the structure of this type of capacitor is ceramic. The high dielectric constant of ceramics makes it possible to make capacitors with very high capacity and small sizes. Therefore, ceramic capacitors are also called lens capacitors, because their size is as small as a lentil. However, they have a very high working voltage. But unlike electrolytic capacitors, they do not have positive and negative poles, and their capacity depends on the ambient temperature. This dependence on ambient temperature can be introduced as the biggest disadvantage of this type of capacitor.
One of the important applications of ceramic capacitors is to eliminate noise in the power supply of circuits. On the other hand, due to the excessive sensitivity of digital circuits to power supply voltage fluctuations, this type of capacitor is placed at the closest point to the ASC in order to improve the power supply. To support me, subscribe to my channel. Like my videos. Press the bell button for notifications. Subscribe to my channel for new videos. Share my videos. Write me a comment. Thank you.